Hi guys, it's Frank here from Altcoin Buzz, and today I'll be talking about crypto lending and borrowing platform Nexo. Although this is a sponsored video, I have personally been using the platform and looking into the team and project over the last few days, and I'm quite impressed by the range of features they offer as well as their focus on security and sustainability. Now, cryptocurrency lending and borrowing have absolutely exploded recently with the rising interest in DeFi and all the money currently locked into DeFi smart contracts. I mean, have a look at this. 1.63 billion, and look how this curve has just absolutely exploded recently with the introduction of Compound. But even before that, you can see how we went from 588 million all the way up to 1 billion, principally due to Maker. And look at both of these, they're both lending, right? But the increased interest in lending isn't limited to DeFi lending. As you can see from this graph, there has been a significant increase in fintech lending and also a decreased percentage of the market share of bank lending. So this also presents an opportunity for more centralized lending companies to start taking market share from traditional finance. So as alluring as the idea of DeFi is, the decentralized aspect of DeFi can lead to less friendly user experiences and more uncertainty with the products being offered. I've used decentralized trading platforms in the past, and as exciting and comforting as it was to know that I was in full control of my money, it was also very frustrating to deal with the bugs and the user interfaces which didn't work properly and the lack of a proper support team. I personally have a strong belief that decentralized platforms will overcome their weaknesses as time progresses and gain even more market share than they currently have. However, for those of you who want a seamless user experience as well as a company which is accountable for the products they offer to you, Nexo might be a platform you want to look into. So in this video, I will talk about crypto lending and why it provides so much value in the crypto industry. I'll then walk you through how to use the Nexo platform, which I've been using over the past few days, and I'll cover all the features they provide. However, please note that this is not investment advice. Also, if you've derived any value from our content in the past or appreciate this review, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so let's have a look at the different use cases for cryptocurrency loans. First of all, you can make your money work for you. In other words, you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency investments. Let's say you've bought a bunch of Bitcoin which you have no intention of selling anytime soon. Well, what you can do is you can deposit it onto Nexo, and then you can earn between 5 and 10% in interest per year, which is paid out daily. Then next, you can bypass capital gains tax. So let's say you want to sell your cryptocurrency so that you can buy something else. Well, when you sell this cryptocurrency, you have to pay a capital gains tax. However, if you instead lend your cryptocurrency through Nexo and get a fiat loan, which you can use to pay for things, then you're not actually paying any tax on that. So you're effectively using your cryptocurrency to pay for other things without having to pay this capital gains tax for selling that cryptocurrency. Next, you could simply use it for paying for living expenses. Let's say you have a large cryptocurrency investment and you suspect that there's a good chance that it will go up in value over the next year or two. Well, you could simply deposit that onto Nexo and then use the money which you get from their loan to pay for your living expenses. Of course, this would be risky if you didn't have any other source of income, as you would really be depending on the value of Bitcoin going up. But if you had a long enough time horizon and you were confident enough that Bitcoin really would increase in value over a period of a year or two, then this might be something to look into. Next, you can take advantage of new or interesting investments. So a good example of this is how controversial Bitcoin investor Brock Pierce used Nexo to buy a $1.2 million house in Amsterdam. To obtain the mortgage, he had to put up more than $3 million worth of Bitcoin. However, he didn't have to sell his Bitcoin, and he could take advantage of this new investment in real estate. Finally, an advantage of taking out a loan through Nexo is that you bypass credit checks. So traditional banks will be checking your credit history to see if you've managed to pay back your loans before. However, with Nexo, there is no such thing. All you have to do is provide your cryptocurrency as collateral, and then you can instantly get a loan. Alright, so let's create an account on Nexo so that I can show you all the features which they offer. So you just enter your email and password, click to verify. This is all very quick and easy. Sign up. Then you just want to verify your email. That takes 2 seconds, and then you can already access your Nexo account. So once you're here, the first thing you want to do in order to take advantage of the features is to do the basic and advanced verification. Now, unlike many other platforms where this can take days, this can be done really within a matter of minutes, which was the case for me. So I've already verified myself on a separate account. So the basic verification here is just your name, your city, your address. You don't have to provide any documents to prove your actual address. You just need to enter what your address is. You will, however, have to verify your mobile phone number, to which they will send you a code which you can then use to immediately get your basic verification. After that, you can do the advanced verification, which will enable you to withdraw funds to your bank account if that's something that you're interested in doing. As you can see here, the advanced verification allows you to do up to a $2 million transfer to your bank account. However, if you're not interested in connecting your bank account or sending any fiat to there and would rather deal with stable coins, for example, and crypto wallets, then you can just do the basic verification and you will already be able to withdraw up to $20,000 a day from your savings wallet and up to $2 million a day from your credit line wallet. For the advanced verification, you just have to send a copy of your passport or ID card or driving license, and then it will take up to 24 hours, but as I mentioned, it only took a few minutes in my case. Okay, now let's head over to the actual platform to see what the features are. So what stands out immediately is the crypto credit line rates and the 10% on your idle assets. So let's start with a crypto credit line rate. Nexo offer the lowest crypto credit line rates ever from 5.9% APR. So what does this mean? This means that if you want to borrow money using your cryptocurrency as collateral, you will only have to pay as little as 5.9% interest per year. Alternatively, if you want to lend your cryptocurrency and make your money work for you, you can earn up to 10% on your idle assets. So let's scroll down and see what the percentages actually are. So as you can see here, if you deposit your Bitcoin, you can earn interest of up to 5% per year. The same goes for Ethereum and XRP. And as for the Nexo token, you receive 30% of the profits which the company makes. Furthermore, if you would rather deposit stable coins such as Tether USD coin, Paxos Standard, True USD, or DAI, or even traditional fiat such as euros or GBP, then you will earn up to 10% interest. Furthermore, they also offer the options of depositing Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, or Stellar. So what this means is that many of these coins do not offer staking. So staking offers you the ability to make money with the money that you have. And in a similar way, although these cryptocurrencies don't offer staking, you can also make money of them by earning interest by depositing them on Nexo. Furthermore, they have BNB and Pax Gold, which are coming soon. So I went ahead and deposited $100 worth of Tether and $100 worth of the Nexo token. And as you can see, it says now that I have an available credit of $104.62. So what does this mean? This means that if I want to withdraw $104.62 from my account, but still keep my Nexo token and my Tether where it was, then I can do that. So as you can see, for my $100 worth of Tether, I've received a $90 credit line, and for my $99 worth of Nexo, which of course is a more volatile cryptocurrency, I've received $15 credit line. Now I haven't personally taken any credit, but what I have done is earn interest. So as you can see, I've earned $0.05 for the 2 days that I've had the money on the platform. And every day you get a notification here saying how much interest you have earned. So that's a pretty cool feature to see the compounding interest that you get every day. Furthermore, if you don't feel like going to an exchange to buy your Nexo tokens, they offer a very easy and quick way of doing it right on the platform itself, which is the method which I personally use. So you just click here on Buy Nexo Tokens, and before buying the Nexo tokens, you can check out this graphic which shows the dividends that you can earn by holding Nexo tokens. So they get a certain amount of revenue from the platform, and from that they deduct their operating expenses, from which they are able to calculate their net profit. Now from that net profit, you get 30% as a Nexo token holder. That is split up between the base dividend and the loyalty dividend. The loyalty dividend is essentially for people who have been holding their Nexo tokens for a longer period of time, or hence are more loyal to the company. Furthermore, the 70% of profits which are not distributed as dividends go towards creating instant crypto loans, which again create revenue, which again create net profit from which you can get dividends from. Okay, so let's click the buy sell instantly to show you how easy this is. So here you're taken to the Changerly screen where you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to use to send from in order to receive Nexo tokens. So let's say I want to send 0.1 Bitcoin. This will give me 4,616 Nexo tokens. So you click swap now, and then once you come to this screen, they will offer you an address to which you need to send the Bitcoin to, and then you will get your Nexo tokens. So there's no need to go on a separate exchange in order to buy them if you just want to check out how the platform works and buy a few tokens in the way that I did. So another feature which I really liked about this platform, and there really are a lot of great features, is the fact that you have full flexibility. So there are no lock-in periods. It means that whatever money you have on the platform, whether it's cryptocurrency or stable coins or whatever, you can withdraw it at any time. So if you're earning interest on your cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin for example, and you feel like you want to sell that Bitcoin or you want to take it off the platform, you can immediately do that with no penalty fees. Next, there are 0 transaction fees. So every time that you take out a loan, you don't actually pay any transaction fees. Another thing which I like about the platform is their focus on security and insurance. So as they say here, the safety of their clients' funds is the main priority. And cold wallets are provided by BitGo, and the BitGo custody carries $100 million in insurance protections. So this means that if there are third-party hacks, or theft of private keys, or insider theft, or any of that kind of malicious activity, there's a $100 million policy covering the digital assets. Next, the funds are stored in bank-grade Class 3 vaults, and the BitGo platform is SOC2 Type 2 certified. Okay, so let's say you want to withdraw funds from your credit line. So you've deposited your cryptocurrency or your stable tokens, and now you want to get actual fiat from that which you can use for everyday expenses. So we click this withdrawal funds, and you will notice that there is a minimum of $500. So because I only have $104 in my credit line right now, I am not yet able to withdraw to my bank account. However, it's worthy to note that funds are usually received on the same day or the next business day. Furthermore, the flexibility of the platform is demonstrated here by the fact that they have no minimum repayments. So you can choose to repay all or some of your loan early or at any time, which could save you on the interest that you would otherwise have to pay for that loan. Okay, so that covers all the features and interesting possibilities that Nexo offers. I'm personally going to be using this platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a couple $1,000 worth of stable coins to this platform to earn interest on. And then if Bitcoin comes down to more favorable levels at which I want to buy again, then I will be able to simply withdraw these stable coins from the platform and buy Bitcoin. Now, I'm not depositing all of my stable coins here because of course there is always a risk involved with any platform, even in a decentralized platform. And as the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. However, I am impressed by the features of this platform as well as the emphasis on security, so I look forward to future developments. So let me know, have you used any DeFi lending? Have you used any CeFi lending? Are you happy with the rates your bank is giving you? Let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.